Hey everyone, welcome to Horseman Ranch YouTube channel. We're in Amarillo, Texas. We are at the Coors Ranch Rodeo, cooking for the Coors Cowboy Club. And we're just going to show you the ins and outs of what we're doing today. We're making chicken fried steak, beans, mashed potatoes, peach cobbler, and some biscuits. So don't go anywhere. We'll be kind of show you around camp all throughout the day. So stay tuned. We got Caleb and Grady here making some peach cobblers. Peaches are ready, making the crust for it up right here. Guys, say hi. There you go. They're friendly. We got some biscuits done right here and right here. Oh yeah, there's even still some smoke in there. It's good. Kenny's been battling with some green mesquite. Wet wood. Got some taters boiling over here. See them taters? Oh yeah. They're probably getting tender, aren't they? Close. They're close, yeah. So we're getting after it. Got the beans on over here. Show you the beans. Got the coffee. Coffee's ready. The drink, we've been drinking on it. And the beans are simmering good. So we got it all happening. We got about 3 or so hours. We'll start making chicken fried steak in a little bit. So there we go. All right, guys, we got 2 peach cobblers done. We got the biscuits put in here nice and pretty. So they're folded in there good, and just kind of taking it easy right now. Get ready to. We got the taters done. We'll be smashing them in a little bit. We got the beans going still. They're just kind of doing some simmering on us. They're looking good as well. So just kind of hanging out, waiting for about 45 minutes or so, and we'll start getting the grease hot for the chicken fries. Here's a view of what's going on here. The cow camps, chuck wagon camps there. Sun finally came out here in Amarillo. They've got unseasonably wet weather on June the 3rd or 2nd, whatever it is. I think it's the 3rd today. There's a lot of rain here. Everybody's going to be gathering in here eating some grub here in about 2 hours. So there you go. All right, guys, we've got our chicken fried steak seasoned up good, and then we're gonna dip it in this egg milk Louisiana hot sauce mixture, and then dredge it in flour, and we're gonna fry it up. So that's the next step. Beans are about done, potatoes are done. We're towards the end of this deal, so stay tuned. We'll show you some frying in a minute. All right, guys, we're gonna start dredging some of these chicken fries. We're not gonna double dip them. We're just gonna single dip today, but we got them pre-seasoned right here. We're gonna dump them in this, and we're gonna dredge them over here. We're not gonna double dip them today. Do this right here, dredge them, get a good coating on them, give them a little shaky shake, stick them right there, ready for the fryer. We just got some salt and pepper and garlic in here and a little Cajun seasoning. Again, these have been seasoned already and kind of marinating in that seasoning already. Shake off. Be a nice little crust on them. And that's how you do it. Put a little baking powder in our flour, a little salt, pepper. Baking powder kind of helps it fluff up a little bit. Do this about 60 times. We're feeding about 60 people. So there you go. Put them in the fryer in just a moment. It was about 350, 325. I don't know what we are over there. Get the fry on. Slide that right there. All good. Want a golden brown fry. Drain them off like that, it makes them healthy. See that drain right there? That's hard. That's so right now, Kenny is sliding. We got a hot end down here. We got more wood down here on this side of the stove than we got on the other side, so we can kind of slide this back and forth and regulate our heat. Let's go this way, Kenny. We got to get it hotter. We're about 100, actually about 100, about 200 right now. So we need to warm it back up before we put some more chicken fries in there. That's one good about the stove. You got a hot side and you got a not so hot side, and you regulate your temperature a little bit. So we got to get this warmed up again. See our fire down in there. It's hot. Oh yeah, see that end down there is nice and hot. This end not so much. There you go. That's how you do it with the stove. Then if you really want to get it hot, you take one of them burner covers off and you get really moving. But we'll climb back up here in a moment and fry some more chicken fries. Well, hey guys, I wanted to close the video out. We weren't able to do that there. We got the gravy made just in time and had the chicken fried steaks fried just in time to start serving people. And then we were serving people. We served all of our food. We had a great time at the Coors Cowboy Club Ranch Rodeo in Amarillo, Texas. Thank you so much for watching. I never done a chicken fried steak videos. That's kind of one way I do them. And so I hope you kind of glean something from that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, we'll see you on Horse Pen Ranch.